Tired of juggling a million different tools to run your online store? In this video, we're going to show you how to build a fully functional e-commerce website using Odoo, a powerful all-in-one business management solution that's surprisingly easy to use. First, let's install the website app. Navigate to your Odoo dashboard and click on the Apps module, search for Website and click Install. Next, Odoo will guide you through a simple website setup. Choose a theme that suits your brand, enter your company name, and Odoo will generate a basic website structure for you. Now, let's add some products. Go to Website, then Products, click on Create to add a new product, upload high-quality images, write compelling descriptions, and set your prices. Integrating payment gateways is crucial. Go to Website, Configuration, Settings, and scroll down to Payment Acquirers. Activate your preferred payment methods like PayPal or Stripe by following the provided instructions. Finally, let's test the customer experience. Browse your website as a customer, add products to the cart, and go through the checkout process to ensure everything works smoothly. And that's it. You've now created a fully functional e-commerce website with Odoo. With its comprehensive features and intuitive interface, Odoo makes it easier than ever to manage your online business.